man, welcome back to the channel, man. Real quick, man, I'm at a friend's garage, Brothers Motors. He have this Challenger out here. He can't figure out what's going on with it. So who do he call to the rescue? That's right, man, Mr. JT. Online mechanical tips. All right, I just pointed out the battery jump post. What I have to do, or what I'm gonna try to do, is jump start this thing. Now his complaints is he have absolutely no electricity. All right, so we got to start somewhere. Let's start with some power supply. All right, I'm gonna try this jump box. All right, so let me turn this on, and then I'm gonna have to go inside and see if anything's fired up. All right, so let me go around here and Dodge Challenger. I like these cars. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what's going on. Okay, here's the wow, no power supply to the trunk release, no power supply to the ignition. All right, ladies and gentlemen, when that happens, you have to gain access to the battery. Okay, you got to get to the battery. Now, remember, this is an electronic trunk. The entrance to the trunk is electronically controlled. Okay, so it's a switch you have to push in order to get to it. But in the event you can't, your switch is not working or your power supply is down, have no fear. There's an emergency entrance on almost every car probably these days. All right, so on this Challenger, you simply lower the rear seats. Now you got to do some crawling, man. You got to crawl back here. Y'all see that little yellow lever right there? That, my friend, is the entrance or the leveler to the trunk emergency open. Okay, that's how you that's how you open the trunk in the event of an emergency. All right, so you got to gain access to it. You got to get to it. You got to crawl to it. You got to grab it and you got to pull it. And once you pull it, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The trunk is now open. That is the emergency entrance to the trunk on a Dodge Challenger Chrysler 300. And I think all the big body LX cars. All right, so now that I'm back here, I mean, I still have problems. I still have some more diagnosis to do, but now at least I can get to the battery. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.